Hello guys, welcome to Selenium Automation Concept. So today I am going to discuss a very important interview question that how to calculate the number of occurrence of each character in a string. Okay, so here let's say if I take an example string that this is an apple. Okay, so here like I also occurred multiple times, more than one time, a also occurred multiple times, p also occurred more than times, and here in addition to that we will also handle the irrespective of case sensitivity, the number of occurrence of each character. Let's say here caps p and small p is there, so p will be considered at one character, unique character, and it should print p occurred two times. Okay, so this way basically. So here the whole scenario we will divide into two parts. One is we will take the input from the console first, and then we will write one more function to implement this logic, and finally we will print it. And here we will apply the collection concept, and here especially hash map. So what is hash map? Hash map is a collection class basically. So it implemented the map interface. Okay, so there are other interfaces also we will describe in different session. Okay, and in hash map it takes two things. One is the key and another is the value pair. Okay, so hash map is very efficient to solve this kind of problem, where for each and every character we can easily get the value also. So on key we will store each and every character. Okay, and on the value part we will assign the number of occurrence of each character. So let's see, let's start. So here in Eclipse I have already created one project, so I will go ahead and create one package. Packaging always start with small. Calculate char occurrence, and I will create new class calculate character occurrence in string. I'm taking the main method. Okay, so as I told, like I have divided, so I have to first implement the in method which through which I can take the input also. Okay, so let's take the input public static method I'm implementing, and it will return the input string. Here what I will do, I will take scanner class because I will take the input from console, which will take standard input class as an input system.in, and this scanner class is in java.util package, so I have to import that package. There is a method called next line, and it will return that string, so I have to take one string class object. Okay, and as I have to handle the case sensitivity, so what I am doing over here, I will convert that string to either lowercase or uppercase and return it. Okay, same method I am calling, as this is static method, so I no need to create the object. Then I will implement one more function to implement that logic. Calculate number of char occurrence. So this one also I am implementing as a static, and here there is no return type. I will state type in, but it will take that string. So this string here I am returning, so I will catch it over here, str1 put, and the same string I will pass it to take over here also. Okay, so now I will have a string which has been converted to the lowercase, okay, but it has a space as a delimiter, so I have to split it by space and put it returned as a string array. Then what I have to do, I'm taking one advanced for loop. That's str. So it will return each and every string, like each and every word in that string, okay, and then I have to drill down to character level. And I started from 0, that's why less than str.length. What I am doing over here, so as I told, I will implement using hashmap. So I have to create an object of hashmap. Hashmap is a class. So in order to access the methods and variable on that class, I have to create an object of that. So I will store what? Character and value as an integer. So that's why key as a character and value as an integer. Put map. Okay, so here again I have to import it. Spelling mistake. Okay, now here I have to handle two situations. One is that first time I am inserting, and second time is that when there is a repeat of the same character. Okay, so how I will do that? Input map dot there is a method called contents key. Okay, so each and every word is coming as a str variable dot, but I have to focus on the character dot char at I. Okay, okay, so if there is a I mean already there is a character, so it is checking the already inserted to the hash map. If it is so, what it will do, there is a put method to insert it. Okay, it will take the same key as a character, same character as a key. Okay, and value will be, it will fetch the earlier value and then it will do +1. So I have to do the same thing. So in order to fetch the value, get method is there. So earlier value I am fetching and then doing +1. Okay, now let's say for the first time the character is encountered, then so there is no chance that it already has been inserted, so it will be, the value will be 1 for that character occurrence value. And if it is repetitive, then it will first fetch the earlier occurrence and then it will do +1. Okay, now we will print it, the whole hash map. Now in order to print also I am using advanced for loop. Okay, so here all the key in the key of that hash map is character. Okay, so there is a method called key set in that hash map, which will return each and every character basically. So that's why I've taken character variable. Okay, so I'm printing in that way character and occurrence value. How I can get the occurrence value? Same, using method called get. I know the key is nothing but this character only. Okay, so now my function is my implementation is ready. Okay, and this function is already should work. Okay, so basically what I did, let me run first. So here let's say one I is small, I'm giving caps I, caps S also, then and A caps P, P caps L E. Now let's see. So P is 2 times occurrence value to this 2. Okay, A is 1 and 2, so that's why it printed 2 times. So regardless of case sensitivity, S is 1 and 2. Okay, small s and 2. Okay, T is 1, T is 1, that is T, this T is 1. Okay, so similar way it has been printed all irrespective of the case sensitivity. Okay, if we don't use two lowercase over here, then what it will do, it will pick each caps character and small case will be considered as a different one, and it will print like that. Okay, capital T is 1, small t is 1, like that way it will keep printing. Okay, so sometimes it asks, okay, irrespective of the case sensitivity, print out that each and every character occurrence in the string. So this is the way we can do it. Okay, or else there is a method called character dot to lowercase. That way also we can put some logic over here itself and we can do it. Okay, so this is how we have to implement. So here basically what I did, I implemented the take input method. This is nothing but this method where I call the scanner class and took the input, and before returning the input I am converting it to lowercase, and then same input I am catching over here and then passing it to this particular method. So when I am going to this particular method, here I have taken as a string delimited by space. So same using space delimiter I am just splitting it, and it will return a string array, and using that string for advanced for loop I am keep fetching that each and every word of that string. Okay, and then I have to reach out to that character level. So then I am navigating to that each and every individual word and fetching the each and every character. Then I am checking, okay, that character already inserted. If already inserted, then you fetch the earlier occurrence value and then I will do +1 on that. Okay, if it is the first time, then it will always come to this else part and it will put the occurrence value as 1. So again and finally we are printing. So key set, basically it will return all the key. So all the key as a character, so I have taken the variable as a character only. Okay, and for each and every character I am fetching the occurrence value. Okay, so that's all for this session. So if you have any question, you can put it on the description comment section. Okay, and also I will share the GitHub link also for this code, or else I will put it this code under description section. Okay, so if you like this video or any special request, okay, you can always reach out to me. Okay, thanks.